Welcome to the tutorial on registering as a new user for a non-agency party representative. Please keep in mind that the CBCA's electronic docketing system, also known as EDS, performs best when you access it using the following web browsers: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. We recommend that you do not use Internet Explorer. So, let's get started. To register as a user, type the URL https://eds.cbca.gov in the address bar of your web browser. The EDS sign-in page will appear. Since this is your first time using EDS, click the Register as a New User button. The Please Select Account Type dialog box will appear. By default, the Non-Agency Party Representative option is selected. Click OK. The Register as a Non-Agency Party Representative form will appear. Complete all of the required fields on the form, starting with your email address. Note that when you complete a required field, a green check mark will appear next to it. Use these check marks to ensure that you have completed all of the required fields before submitting your form. Let's continue completing the form by typing in your first and last name. Now type the name of the company or firm you represent. Type your company or firm's phone number. Scroll down the screen. Complete the mailing address section. As you type in the address field, EDS begins filtering the list. Locate and select the mailing address from the list. The remainder of the address fields will automatically populate. Confirm that all of the information in the address section is correct. Next, click the checkbox next to the agreement to abide by the CBCA's rules of procedure and EDS instructions. For this demo, we will click the checkbox. Now click the Register button. The Rules of Behavior agreement will appear. Read the agreement, then scroll down the screen. Click the I agree button at the bottom of the agreement. The Success dialog box will appear to confirm a successful registration. If your registration was not successful, a notification will appear alerting you to the fields that need correcting. Once you've made the necessary corrections on the form, click the Register button again. Since our registration was successful, we will click OK in the Success dialog box. An email will be sent by EDS to the email address that you registered with on the form. The email from EDS contains a temporary password that you will use during your initial log on to the system. Once you log on, you will be prompted to create a new password. The criteria for your new password is included in the email. Click the link in the email to log back into EDS and to reset your password. The EDS sign-in page will reappear. Log into EDS using your registered email address and the temporary password you received from the EDS email. To ensure you enter your temporary password correctly, we recommend that you copy from the email and paste it into the password field. Now click the Sign Me In button. The Password Reset dialog box will appear letting you know that you are accessing EDS for the first time and that you need to update your password. Click the OK button to begin resetting your password. The Please Update Your Password dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a new password. Type your new password in the New Password field. When typing, be sure to follow the password guidelines listed. Next, retype your new password in the Confirm Password field. Then click the Update Info button. The Welcome to EDS dialog box will appear, confirming that you have successfully updated your information. Click OK. You are now logged into EDS, and the dashboard will appear. When you are finished working in EDS and you wish to log out of the system, click the down arrow next to your name and click Log Out. This concludes the tutorial on registering as a new user for a non-agency party representative. To learn more about using EDS, check out the other tutorials in the EDS section of our website at https://cbca.gov.